Hi, I'm Ritika. In this video, I'll share with you the storyboard for Helping Hands.
Helping Hand is a web and mobile-based platform which connects the vulnerables, those who needs help, with those who want to help, using their time and money, creating a safer, transparent and prosperous future together.
Okay, I will introduce two storyboards, starting with storyboard 1 to explain the sequence of events which is tied up with a first user scenario which talks about our target persona, Chris. Chris lives alone in the Bay Area and is immunocompromised. He needs to perform his essential task but cannot risk himself to go out in the public because of his weak immunity and COVID risk. His goal is to perform the essential task with the help of someone, and in this case, he needs the delivery of grocery at the doorsteps. Introducing two central characters in our storyboard, Chris and Megan, who needs part-time work. Chris is immunodeficient. He opened up his fridge to find out that he's running low on groceries but sadly cannot go out. Thankfully, he discovers the helping hand from his local community. He registers himself easily and lists his task on the platform. Megan gets notification on her app about new task in her area. Megan contacts Chris to learn more about the task, which is in this case grocery, and agrees on details like payment terms. Megan visits the local store to buy the groceries. Upon completing the task, she checks into the app and uploads receipt, which will act as a validation proof. Chris gets an alert that a task is finished. Hooray! Chris pays to Megan from his card or wallet and gives her a 5-star rating. Chris is so happy to see that his fridge is full and is able to get all the groceries without even stepping out. Chris is so happy that he shares the app with his friends so that they also learn more about Helping Hands. Meanwhile, Megan gets another notification on her app about new tasks in her area. Now, let's move on to our second storyboard to explain the sequence of events tied up with user scenario 2. User scenario 2 is tied up with our second target persona, Rachel. Rachel recently lost her job due to COVID. She needs to perform her essential task but is running low on funds. Her goal in the current scenario is to raise funds for groceries and get them delivered at her doorsteps. Introducing the three central characters, Rachel, Megan and Jen, who is a donor. Rachel opens up her fridge to find out that she's running low on groceries, but sadly she doesn't have funds. Thankfully, she discovers Helping Hand from her local community. She registers herself and easily creates a campaign to get funds for her task. Jen receives notification on her app about Rachel's campaign. She learns more about the campaign and decides to fund Rachel. Rachel receives funds in her wallet, online wallet from Jen. Okay, so now the task is ready to be picked up by the helper, which is Megan. Megan gets notification on her app about the new task in her area. Megan contacts Rachel to learn more about the task and agrees on details, for example, payment terms. Megan visits the local store to buy the groceries. After the completion of task, she checks into the app and uploads the receipt, which will act as a validation proof. Rachel and Jen both get an alert for task completion. Hooray! Rachel pays to Megan from the wallet using the funds that she had received and gives her a 5-star rating. Rachel is so happy to see her fridge full and gets the groceries. Rachel and Jen are so happy that they share the app with their friends so that they also learn more about it. And meanwhile, Megan gets notification on her app about new tasks in her area. As simple as that.
We have started a campaign to raise the funds. I have added the link to the campaign in the description box. Please support us with whatever you can. Also, if someone wants to help us in making this project a reality, then they can do so by contacting us at the email ID ritikag.mahajan@gmail.com. Please help us in helping those who needs us right now. Thank you so much.